Hi guys, welcome to day 3 of the 12 days of Carrie. As you can see, I'm currently traveling. I'm on my way to drop off lunch with Mac, who is working a detail right now. It's really cold out there. It was 12 degrees this morning when he left the house. It's 10:15 now and my car is saying it's 18 degrees, but it is cold out there. So hopefully he's staying warm, but I'm actually on my way to do Bible study and coffee with a friend of mine. We go to a cafe once a week and we're reading through the book of John together. And honestly, coffee and Bible study is like my favorite thing to do. Can that be a hobby? Because that's my hobby. I just love sitting down, having some coffee, reading through the Bible and like studying it and just getting into the weeds of theology and scripture, and it's just the best. But that's where I'm going right now, and I'm carrying in my Stav sling pack. I'll show you my whole outfit later because I kind of had to run out the house this morning. I wanted to film my outfit before I left the house, but I'm just going to show you after, and that's fine. But I did want to show you guys, one of the reasons I love the Stav sling pack is because I can have it on my chest in the car, and I still have my seatbelt on, but I can get to my gun if I need to. It's right here. Like, everything is just right here, and it's comfortable and it's easy. So that's one reason I really love this bag. It's just so convenient and like easy to grab and just put your gun in it when you're running out of the house, as long as you're not going to go somewhere where you're going to put it down. If I was going somewhere where I'd want to put my bag down, I obviously would not carry in a bag. Don't do that. So this morning I woke up with Mac. I packed his cooler. I like to give him like a bunch of snacks and a smoothie and stuff before he leaves for his details so that he has plenty of snacks. Though he's not a huge snacker. I'm definitely way more of a snacker, but I like for him to have some things to snack on. I made him a couple breakfast sandwiches, and then I cleaned the house a bunch, like vacuumed, tidied up, laundry, all the things, and then played with the dogs outside because you know they get crazy. Fed them. I haven't had breakfast yet, so I'll probably have breakfast at the cafe because I just didn't have time this morning. Okay guys, I'm home from my coffee date and I just want to show you my outfit that I wore today. It's very simple, just a black bodysuit with some wide leg jeans. I think these are American Eagle. And then my favorite Stav sling pack. I told you guys, I wear this thing like every day. It's just so easy for carrying my gun. There's my bodyguard back there. Like I mentioned in yesterday's video, now that I'm home, I'm gonna put this right in the safe. Before I hang my bag up or anything, I'm gonna put my gun back in the safe so it doesn't end up anywhere that it's not supposed to be or in anyone else's hands. Oh my goodness, look at this beautiful girl. Look at you, you're so pretty. She's just such a lady. Yeah, you're a good girl. I have to put wood in the wood stove like immediately because I was gone for a few hours and it's still, I don't know, like 18 degrees outside. It's freezing. Let's see, this room is usually like 80 when it's the temperature it's supposed to be. We're currently at about 75-ish, so we need to warm it up in here. You can see the wood stove has a glow, but it's not going as much as we need it to, so I'm gonna put some more wood in the wood stove. During hunting season, honestly, this room is kind of a disaster because we have like our hunting clothes hanging up, drying. The dogs' blankets are on the floor because they like to lay in front of the fire. But you know what? We live here, so it is what it is. There's like barely any glow in there. So we're just gonna get it going again. Once those pieces catch, I'll put a little more in. But today is just kind of a chill day. I'm gonna go to the gym in a little bit. Before I go to the gym, I should probably exercise them a little bit, and then I'll change and go work out. Wyatt, sit. Good boy, Pa. Good job. You're so smart. Do you want to go play outside? Look at his eyes. He's like, really? Do you want to go play outside? That ball is like totally frozen. Come on. Let's go. It's so cold. Ah! I don't think I can even use this. I don't think it'll... That ball just has ice all around it. Ready? Go get it. Good girl. It's so cold. Ah. Ready? Go. Guys, it is freezing out here. If I didn't have dogs, there's no way I'd be outside right now. Come on. Ready? Okay, go. Hi, Mila. You're so pretty. Ready? frozen whiskers. Ah. You gonna throw your ball? He's so excited. Ready? Get it! I don't think I'm gonna last much longer out here. This is going pretty good, so I'm gonna shut that bottom door. And that should be good. How was that for you? Are you done? You good? You're not panting. What's wrong with you? All right, I'm so cold in this house right now. Like, it's not even that cold in here, but I just can't like shake the chill off me. I want to go to the gym. It's 1:30 about, but I didn't really eat breakfast. It was a cinnamon blueberry loaf. I had like a piece of that at the cafe that I went to with my friend, and it was just such a good time. It just brings me so much joy to be able to like sit there and really go through like verse by verse the book of John with her. It's just been such a blessing. We've been doing it now for, I think today was our 4th week, because 1 week we did 2 chapters at the same time. But we've been meeting every single week to go through John together. But I'm debating on whether to have some chicken salad I made. I made this for Mac for his lunch and I dropped it off with him. Or if I should have some taco meat that I made the other night. I feel like I'm gonna have the taco meat because I think Mac likes the chicken salad for lunch more than tacos. So I'll finish the taco meat so he can have more of this. But I definitely need some protein in my system before we go work out because I'm already really hungry. Little tidbit about me, I do not like vegetables. Like, it is hard for me to eat vegetables. Salads, so much chewing involved with a salad. I just honestly don't enjoy eating vegetables. I'm like a meat and potatoes kind of girl. Like, vegetables, it's hard for me. So I'm not even gonna put any lettuce or anything on this thing. I'm just gonna do some sour cream, some meat, and some cheese. Like, that's gonna be my wrap. I feel like when I was younger, I went through this stage where I was trying to lose weight and I would eat like turkey wraps. Just like a wrap with like lettuce and cold cut turkey and maybe some tomato in it, and I would eat that like 3 times a day trying to lose weight. Not super healthy. But I feel like I have a good relationship with food now where I kind of eat intuitively. Like, I eat what I want. I eat, but the main thing for me is finding healthy ingredients. I don't want to be eating seed oils and processed garbage. Like, I care a lot about the ingredients that I'm putting in my body. No, it's not so much about losing weight. And the same thing goes to when I'm working out. I'm not working out to look a certain way necessarily. Like, that's a nice byproduct of working out. And I've talked about this before, but the main reason that I work out and I lift weights is because I want to be strong in my older years. I want to be able to get up off the ground if I fall down. I want to be able to carry my groceries up the stairs. Like, I want to be able to do these practical things as I get older. I want to remain independent as I age, and I also don't want to be on medication. I'm currently on 0 medications, thank God. Like, I don't ever want to be on medications. And I'm thankful that those exist for people who need them, but one of my goals as I continue to like take care of my body and exercise and stuff like that is to be healthy. Like, I just want to be healthy and strong. Those are my goals. It's not so much I want to see this number on a scale. I don't even weigh myself anymore. Like, we don't have a scale in our house. I have 0 interest in that, to be honest. I want to gain muscle and be strong and healthy on the inside as well. Okay, here's my super simple taco. It's just some sour cream, a whole bunch of taco meat, and then a little bit of cheese on top. I'm gonna eat this and then we'll get ready for the gym. You know what's funny about Wyatt? If we have an article of clothing on the bed, he will lie on that article of clothing. He likes to sit or lie on our clothing. I don't know if it's the smell or it's like a comfort thing for him, but he's got this whole bed and he'll always pick the spot right on top of like my sweatshirt that I left here or Mac's shorts or whatever. Like, he'll always lie on our clothing. Okay, so I'm just wearing these black joggers and I've got a tank top under and this sweater on top because it's freezing out. I just want to see what my workout is today. So I'm doing that program 21 Days of Fitness on the Grounds app, and I'm starting week 2. So today's gonna be a shoulder workout, which is my favorite. I'll skip anything that aggravates my tendonitis, but shoulders is usually okay. depending on the movement. So I think most of this will be fine. I'll just skip whatever does not feel right on my arm. So I'm not gonna be carrying a gun at the gym today, but I am gonna carry pepper spray like I always do. I'm gonna carry my black one because I'm wearing black pants and it blends into my pocket easier. But I love these palm pepper sprays because they have these clips that make it so easy. You could even clip it inside your sports bra. You could clip it into the waistband of your pants. Here, I'll do the white one so you can see the clip a little better. They're just so easy to carry around. But since my leggings have pockets, which is like a must for me at this point, I'm gonna clip it right inside my pocket right there. So I have it with me at the gym. I never go anywhere without my pepper spray at this point, and neither should you. I always have, I think it's a 10% off code with Palm, so check out the link below if you want to get one of these. These are also great stocking stuffers. I would love to get a pepper spray in my stocking, and Christmas is coming up, so keep that in mind. All right, let's do a little gym voiceover. So yes, I carried my shoes to the car that I was gonna wear at the gym, and I wore these goofy little slippers because they're just more comfortable to slip on and go. But I did a shoulder workout today from Grounds, like I said, and most of it felt pretty good, except for I didn't do the cable upright rows because that movement still hurts my tendonitis, so I avoided that. I went pretty light on my weights. Oh my goodness, what are you doing, Stav? I can't reach, I'm so short. They should put stools everywhere for the short people. But I went pretty light on the weight on this movement, the cable rear delt flies, for my first set. And then I went heavier because nothing hurt here. So for my next, I did 4 sets of these. For my next 3 sets, I went heavier. But here for my front raises, I was using 7.5-pound dumbbells, which just feels so lame to me. But I have to listen to my body and not injure myself. But I finished my workout and I felt pretty good. I was actually shocked to see that I still have triceps because I haven't really been able to work them out lately. And dance party in 3, 2, 1. Whoever invented remote start is a genius. It is so cold out still. It might be 20 now, but I just finished my workout. I have to go to the bank to cash a check, so I'm gonna do that. And then I wanna swing by a grocery store, whatever's on my way home, and get a couple, just like, I feel like I'm always stopping in for like a couple things that we ran out of. So I need to get, what did I need to get? Someone's walking by. I still feel weird filming out in public. Also, shout out to my wonderful husband who works so hard so that I can like stay home and have this be my job and like take care of the house and cook us healthy breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day. I appreciate him so much, and I think we're a really good team. So I got this magnetic mount that I can just stick literally anywhere and film. It comes off, it's held in place with a suction cup, and then you like twist it and it locks. And I can just stick my phone on here and it mounts with a magnet. I could literally put it anywhere. So I can film from like this angle and this angle and even this angle. Anyway, I have to go get some like breakfast meats, like ham and bacon, because I made Mac and one of his coworkers breakfast sandwiches this morning and I had no meat. I just had to give them egg and cheese. How lame is that? So I'm gonna go get that, and I have to do like my whole meal plan and big grocery shop within the next few days because we're gonna have the boys back at the house for a few days and they eat a lot, so I gotta stock up again. Guys, this is so real right now. My kitchen, I'm home again obviously. My kitchen's a disaster. I don't usually leave my dishes after a meal, but they've piled up and I got some stuff to put away. So I'm gonna do some work right now, get this under control because this is crazy. Let's do a little cleaning time lapse. Much better. The ironic thing is I'm gonna start dinner soon and make another mess in here, but I always like to start with a clean slate. Too low. Hello? Okay, before I start the whole dinner process, I want to do this because it just got dark and I want to get these in the window. These are those candles that go in the window and you put one in every window and they all glow at night and it looks really nice. They look like this. They need new batteries. So I have some in the windows already, but a lot of my windows don't have them and I want to like time them all so they go on at the same time. Hello. So I'm gonna put new batteries in these right now, and then after that, I'll probably start making dinner. Mila is side-eyeing me so hard right now. I should show you guys. Oh, that's the wrong side. I got these from Amazon, and I'm sure they're not as good as the ones that you buy and like plug into the wall. They're kind of more finicky. I feel like they fall off the window a lot, but the second you twist them, they turn on. Twist them on right. See, that's how bright it's supposed to be. And I have some that are like this color, and then some that are more of a white, so I have to figure out which windows they go in and coordinate that. But I love the way these look in windows. There's like a nostalgic feel to them. Oh my goodness, look at this girl and the way she's looking at me right now. Hello, ma'am. Are you supervising me? She looks so sleepy. I got them all. Now we just gotta set them up. See, these look so pretty in the window. Okay guys, I'm currently in the middle of making dinner. I am making, what's this called? Crispy honey ginger salmon bowls. I compiled all of my recipes and my meal plan stuff into this binder because most of my recipes are printed out. If they weren't, like if it was one of my mom's recipes or something, I just, let me see if I can find one. I just stuck it on like a piece of bigger paper. And then I have like some of my mom's recipes and stuff, and I just made them all fit in this binder, and it's so much easier. But I was making salmon today, so I went into the seafood tab and I was looking specifically for this recipe. It's by Half Baked Harvest. It's her crispy honey ginger salmon bowls, and they're so yummy. So this is what I'm working on right now. I already made the coconut rice, and I'll just put a clip in here of what it looks like when it's finished. It's really yummy, and Mac really likes this dinner, and it's healthy and pretty easy to make. So I'll link this recipe in the description in case you guys want to try it. And of course, I've got my house gun here, one of them, my trusty Glock 34 that's always with me in the kitchen. It has a Vortex red dot and a nightstick tactical light. But I love this gun. It's really comfortable to shoot. It's easy to shoot. And she just kind of hangs out with me, especially when I'm home alone. Okay guys, that's gonna do it for day 3. I was just lighting my tree and I remembered I have to water it. So this is just a reminder for all of you with a real tree, don't forget to water your trees. And let me know in the comments, do you have a fake tree or a real tree? And which do you prefer? And I'll see you back here for day 4 of the 12 days of Carrie. Stay safe, bye!